Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a meal prep. So as you can see, I have some spinach, some broccoli, I have some hummus, I got some beans, some other Goya products, I have a red onion, some tomato paste, I have two rotisserie chickens, white rice, and two snacks. I like almonds, and then also I have some sweet and salty bars if I have a sweet tooth, and then I also have some eggs that I'm going to boil for a snack. And then also I do have some meal prep cases right here. So the first thing we're going to do is make our rice just because it takes the longest. So what I'm going to do is just pour in an estimated amount of 2 cups. And once I pour in all 2 cups, I'm going to rinse it with some water. When you rinse it, you're going to notice that the water is going to be kind of white and murky like you're about to see in a second. And what you want to do is you just want to take your hands and grind the rice together like this. And once you do that, you're going to notice that all that white murkiness is going to come out. All you have to do is just keep doing that, brushing it together, and then pouring it out like so. And just keep repeating the process until you feel like your rice is clean. I like to do it just a few times. Now what we're going to do is take our clean pot of rice and put it in the rice cooker. Now we're just going to close the lid, click it to cook, and then we're just going to push it back so it's out of our minds. So for the next step, we're actually going to be tearing apart our 2 rotisserie chickens. This can be kind of time consuming, so I like to get it out the way as soon as possible since I really wanted this meal prep to be focused on doing quick and easy meals that are really cheap. So all the things that I'm showing you, I actually got it for about $30, and this honestly just took me about 30 minutes. So all I'm doing right now is I'm just going to peel my chicken with the fork. If you don't mind getting your fingers dirty, I do recommend that because it's quicker. I just don't like feeling grease on my fingers. So I was being a little biss and I literally just kept peeling it with my fork. Or you can always get gloves and rip it apart that way as well. So this is what it should look like once you're all done. You can see that both of my chickens are completely boned up, and that's all my shredded chicken. So for our next step, we're going to be doing the beans. So as you guys can see, I have 1 can drained, 1 not drained, and I have everything with the tops off already so we can just get this done quickly. I'm going to pour in the one with the juice first, just so it doesn't stick to the bottom of my pot. Then I'm going to follow up with the can that was completely drained. Now what I'm going to do is take my green chili can, and I'm trying to get it so that I can pour the juice in along with the chilies because I want all of those flavors to combine, just because I feel like it would make really, really good beans. So I'm just going to shake that all in there and then follow up with the second can as well. The secret ingredient is coming up next, which is that Goya tomato sauce you see. But this is what it should look like once you're stirring everything in before you even add that ingredient. And also this is what it should look like before your pot goes into a boil. So now I'm about to add in that Goya tomato sauce. And you can see I just keep stirring it up really nice. Once you pour it in, oh my God, guys, it makes it so good. I just mix it, and then this is optional. It's a Goya sofrito sauce. You can add it if you want. I actually prefer it without it, but you can add this in there if you want it a little more savory than sweet. And then you're going to add the Goya seasoning powder. You only need 1 pack, so don't use 2, but just shake it up real nice and then add that in as well. I promise you guys, out of all the things I'm showing you, these beans are the bomb.com. They're so good. They're flavorful. They're filling. Highly 10 out of 10 recommend it. It's just so freaking good. This is what it should look like once you have everything in the pot. As you can see, the steam is starting to come up. It hasn't completely boiled, but that's what it should look like. So what I'm going to do while that's boiling is I'm just going to cut my red onions real quick for our salads that we're about to make. As you can see, I am not a professional chef. I am not trained by Gordon Ramsay. I am not good at chopping. I quickly just put that little lid on so it can hurry up and boil for my beans. And now we're back to trying to chop. I don't really know what to say. I'm not a good chopper. I'm kind of embarrassed. I am not a professional chef. Well, I guess a real chef doesn't even have to know to cut, but you know, whatever. I tried my best. And as you can see, I'm just trying to dice my red onions up just so they're not long when I'm eating it with my salad. But I do like a lot of red onions just because it adds so much flavor to your salads. But while we're waiting, just enjoy my awkward chopping. All right, you guys, so I'm just going to put my onions to the side because we are all done. You are about to see 10 meals right here, right now. Here's 10 meals. I basically have 10 meals, which is for Monday through Friday, lunch and dinner. I don't like to limit myself on the weekend, so that's why I only have 10 meals. You're going to see two types. The first one is a chicken spinach salad with red onions and red pepper hummus. I don't use dressing because I don't like the extra calories. And then I also will have my beans, rice, broccoli, and chicken. I did a horrible job presenting it, but that is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye!